tank reach its destination. Yeah. So, as I say.
And the pump reaches destination. And we have to give thanks.
Yeah. So again, thanks is really an understatement, but if we'd have a better word,
beautiful, man.
If we'd have a better word than thanks and beautiful, would have said it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But we have to just work with the thanks.
I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful and boy, may I tell you.
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Sure. Yeah, alright though. I go and relax. Cold and plummy. Can't come sit down out there with you and plummy. What you doing? Say alright though. Sure. I like that. Plummy say I put on weight. Yes, I come out on the corner. Put on shirt. Alright then. Do your thing, man. Yeah? Gin.
Yo, bro, how going?
And them dark shades like Ray Charles.
Oh, no, man. Yeah, I think you know one music video, you know?
Which is right.
Like, we have vibe, you see it?
Yeah.
You know the thing. So I go and do everything alright?
There, man, I go and put in the work, see me, you know, it never stop.
Yeah.
There's a lot of work, see me, for be done in TrenchTown, so.
True.
Just one of them days, they just, it always have to go on. Can't stop.
I just think, man, we just want certain things that feel just cool, you understand?
Yeah.
I go on right now in the community, just that and things. Although we still do things same way, we're not meant to stop it, but we just want everybody just come in and everybody start to live, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Don't feel the same way again like back then, you see? Because I like this so I go on, you see me, Kino?
After a time, it must be a calm.
Alright,
It's too long now.
Everybody are crying out here, Kino, right now. I swear, brother, you see me?
Of course.
Dream team, we don't like to see them something going right now. Want everybody to come to one, come in and one again. Live love in everything, brother, you see?
Yeah.
And walk free and them go something there, you see me, I say, bro?
Yes, I.
Yeah, man, so that's what we promote right now. Love and unity again, you see me?
Of course, that's the aim, you know.
Peace thing now gonna peace and then broke. No, love and unity. And unity is strength, you see, bro?
That's the main thing right now, cause.
So I just say the brother.
Yeah, cause without love and without unity, you have disaster.
Yeah, definitely, for real.
And disaster at the time, you know, so that's too much chaos, fear in a people's life. So you know, it's not nice.
I'm kind of afraid right now, auntie.
It's not nice getting up and know say yo, your heart a beat at 90 miles per hour because you don't know what going. You see me I say, you know what may happen. You want to know say you get up and it's joyful.
Yes.
Look at the nice sunshine. You see me, the beautiful people, they walk up and down, the kids they run up and down, you know, everybody live.
People want to come here and Kino.
Of course.
People call me and tell me to gym, want to come and read and read, come look for the clean tea, right? Charge about what they must see happen out there, them kind of, you know, after he's back and I watch, you see it.
Yeah, we don't know, sir.
I said, it's a thing cool, everybody can come here, you know. And everything can alright, and people can sit in and have a vibe, you see me I say? I know what you're going to kill, I love what I do with it, you see, bro?
Yeah.
Straight up.
And Donald them and people them try as them best, no make nothing try to stop them. You see me I say from coming here.
Donors them, many enough to the cause. I know I want to make this possible for we out here, you see me?
Yes, sir.
And put we on the map out there, you see it?
Yeah.
Helping and they want to give we some. I want for blessings, respect, boy for honor to me, you see me?
Yeah.
Definitely Kino, because we can't get them, we have to love them, and so I mean, no honestly. Although I'm already I meet someone already, but in time, you don't know the pandemic and a lot of stuff are going on, most of them have to keep. You see me, I say, brother?
Yeah.
Can't move out, but as soon as things cool up certain way.
Yeah, so still have to give thanks to you. I don't know, we have guests see me a pass through in place.
Yes, man, definitely.
Despite, you know, what going on, I'm glad everything kind of calm down now.
Yeah, true.
And I hope it does stay that way.
Definitely.
You see me? So that means that the prayers at work, and you see me? Hopefully must keep it that way so everything does stay in peace, love and unity as how it is now, because my like little vibes now, everything does calm.
Yeah, everything calm down, some kind of you see me? Love that and just want to continue, understand?
And that's sorry for stay. Because of the right way, you know. So once it's like this,
yeah.
no nice like TrenchTown. You see me I say, and the people they might ring off my phone.
Always I come here, just with culture yard and stuff. You see me?
Of course, so you don't know, we have another guest again today. We have a guest coming in next week, so I guess always I want to come to the place see me, because them say they want to meet the dream team. But Jin,
yeah.
we have a jersey for you.
Yeah.
You want to get a gift.
They say Liverpool.
Liverpool. Alright, Liverpool, them say Liverpool. Them say the pool were empty right now, no water in the night. That's the only pool. We don't have water night. Then we not title. They are good one season. But we not fight them. And them say the current champion. You see me?
Biggest side, brother, man.
See, that with Liverpool.
Biggest side right now.
That with Liverpool, but the biggest side and they about 7 now. You know, so the jersey is from Dessa.
Dessa.
Yeah, from London, Hackney.
Okay.
Liverpool.
Big up the whole of London. Hear that?
From Liverpool, the only team without water.
London right now. See it there? Soon gonna see it, you know.
The best team right now are struggle.
Now we shall hear about Mo Salah, my baller that, yeah? Mo Salah, my baller. So, Mo Salah going at the back, yes, sir. You go print it. Yes.
Nah, fight them because me have on the best team right now.
No, man.
Worldwide.
No,
You see me? I met them see there. Them are gonna see it here now. Look, the biggest team this in the world. See there? Man, you.
Liverpool.
The biggest team. See there?
Liverpool.
Ask anybody about Man U. Them know about it. So big up yourself, that's you see me? Thanks for the jersey. See there, Man U and Liverpool.
Only for respect and blessings, you know.
She know a big side, that's what she say, look on your away jersey. The Liverpool, no water. And the only pool that have no water.
What are pool like that?
Only pool that have no water. I never drown in it. It's empty. They are the champion, yes, in 30. In 30 odd years.
The champions.
The first time they win the title in 30 odd years, and that was in black and white days. You know, them time they never watch TV. So you know TV the way you turn it, go kung, and you have to fix the antenna to the left and fix it to the right, black and white days, you know. So we are modern days champion, you know, so give thanks to them same and them win something in 30 years. Yeah, so we can't fight them. Isn't it? Then we win a teacup in the Corona time, so we give thanks. See, there's a mess.
I think I'll teach the teacup.
They win a teacup when nobody never play football, so we give thanks to them. Yeah. Big up yourself, Liverpool. The only pool without. Yeah,
we are in 2021 season.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right now they're the 7.
Well, they say yes and quick time. I think Van Dijk and all of them come back.
Tell him, Gary.
A show man, scabba.
A show man, dog. 7.
A show man, I'm got a ball, but a show.
Alright.
Anything can happen.
Guys, you know Liverpool man, them talk and go on. Listen, big up on Liverpool fans here, you know we are Man U for life, you know, but come on, we're not champion, yes? And when time to win the title, the first game of the season to pick up 7. No, that pool they want water that is empty. The cup them have it dry up, it want water that. But them are champion, you know. Yeah. Tell them again, Marley.
Fans them have some fake or fake it.
Alright.
We got to make it.
Alright.
Listen,
I like when the magical talk, so when magical talk is a real Liverpool fan.
Walk alone, man.
The man say, yo, the one thing come like a buck ups. You see me I say?
The fan,
Yeah.
Them always say that.
And though you admit it's a black and white days, you know when no go on good.
No, we are going better than black and white.
Yeah, I know.
Color with a shine, but we cover the shine does have.
Does have.
Me don't know what
And the one little time, when you still accept this thing. So we're going to big up Dessa from London.
From London, what about Blessing Street, you know?
Yeah, Blessings Dessa from London,
I have to
Hackney.
Liverpool jersey, I don't know my team this, you see me?
The only pool.
Really appreciate this right now, I swear.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Give thanks for the only pool on the water nice.
Never walk alone.
Never
walk alone.
I'm glad I won't alone and walk alone down the bottom of the table.
Yeah, look at that up there.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, Liverpool, yeah. Look at it up there, that me I tell you.
Just a time about say you win 3, you never know how much title you win.
Yeah man, go and start man, go and start to win.
But say, Marvin, I won't alone and walk alone down the table
Man,
still.
never walk alone, man. Me have my fans base. See, they see
Yeah.
shirt that I show them.
But they say,
So me now walk alone.
Yeah. But and I want Man U.
And I want Man U.
And on top of the table clash.
Yeah.
You see me I say? One team.
Yeah, man. I put 2 teams and 1 team, man.
Yeah man, so JJ. You know we have to give thanks to Tara and Suki from Toronto, Canada. For them just do a great deal helping out with the football field. So you know so Tara and Suki have to bless them up all the time for the tank and the pump. The JJ so him can further the future for the kids them on the football field. So that is a great deal. And that's the main thing we really want is the pump and the tank. So we have to give thanks to Tara and Suki.
Tara and Suki, trust me, words can't really explain. We only just do a while ago. And then it just me you know deeper. And my passion on the hell. But at the end of the day, you have whole heap of kids where have a really benefit out of this. You know what I mean? We're tired to see them in the dirt, tired to dirty up. Right now, a green for them on them shots. When them drop, a green.
Green.
You know what I mean? And this, a straight green we not carry to them.
Yeah.
We not carry dust again. We're done with dust now.
Yeah, man.
And green grass we are dealing with now. So as I say, Tara and Suki, pump, tank, gonna leave.
Yeah. Whole heap of thanks.
Whole heap of thanks.
Whole heap of blessings. Give thanks. I open a food basket will never go empty.
It can't go empty, brother.
Food not right now for the kids them future in TrenchTown.
Yeah, man.
So at least they know them on a football
Generation
field.
to generation.
Yeah. And
Generation to generation.
it's a great look, you know. So right now with us there here, away upon the tank and away upon the pump.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna see for yeah man. Yeah man, give thanks Tara and Suki. Yeah. Yeah, so we have to big up Tara and Suki.
Tara and Suki.
Here from Canada. They make this possible for the youth of my TrenchTown can have a nice football field, you know, we can play upon with grass, not dirt anymore.
Football field, I want to main football field at TrenchTown because top people play on a football
Yeah, man,
field.
from the youth, me play for the
Yeah, man. Well, respect to JJ, we bring it.
Yeah.
No, you bring it, Dada. Live you.
Yeah, man, bring it, man.
See, look beautiful, Kino.
Yeah man, beautiful man.
Yeah,
Big up with donors.
big up and get the donors then.
Enough love and respect, man.
Yeah, man.
Tara and Suki.
Yeah, it's okay.
Big up.
Love Day Station.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Big up the Love Bay Station. Yeah, so see the tank there. Tara and Suki give thanks.
Yeah.
See the tank there, you know. So now we're waiting on the pump. So them sort it out upon arrival. You'll see us soon in TrenchTown. Upon arrival. Holy for water. Tar and Suki. Make
I'm
a
telling you this. Never go wrong in a life. See this one I do? Million pound of a million out of kids who never help.
yeah, holy for kids. No joke about it.
So again, Tara and Suki. Tank reach its destination. Yeah. So as I say.
And the pump reaches destination. And
Good.
we have to give thanks.
Yeah. So again, thanks is really an understatement, but if we have a better word,
Beautiful, man.
If we'd have a better word than tanks and beautiful,
Yeah.
would have said.
Yeah,
You know
yeah.
what I mean? But we have to just work with the tanks.
I'm beautiful.
And beautiful and boy, I mean, I tell you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, because see them, we're born them all right now. We only can run for a period of time, but right now, they will do it for. And see the picture, see the surface there. See? To summertime, now like dry. See? Summertime, now like dry.
Yeah, so the feel I get dry now.
The pump on the tank come just in time.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? So,
Yeah, man, really.
show them the water supply we got to water.
Yeah, so this is where the water supply come from.
Refreshing.
It's a great look.
Yeah.
I really give thanks. We can't do, as we say, we can't thank them enough
Can't thank them enough, brother.
for what them just done. Yeah, for the future, the kids them. As you can see the state of the football field.
Yeah.
Stone and dirt. 1 and 2 patch of grass. So with this pump now we can do a great deal for the kids them growing up, you know. So when I go see this thing in the making, see the changes, all green grass, you know.
We have 12 sprinkler under the ground already. Just a wait for the water system connect and then just come up back and a water again.
And water the field again.
Yeah.
Tar and Suki.
That's the sprinkler pipe there. See that the pipe? So we have cut that. We have got elbow it come all the way. Dig the ground.
Yeah.
Elbow it come all the way down. Put the tank here. And pump. Connect up.
Yeah.
And then we'll turn on. So
Yeah,
turn
man.
on now. Water run back through that. Go back on the field and
And get the place clean up as well too, okay? It's make a whole heap of work. Like you can see. Whole heap of work. Whole heap of work I need to be done. Yeah. Yeah, man.
the only can get better from this.
Yeah.
Big up again.
See there, Zaga Zaga Zo.
Man, I eat, man.
Over on the beer prawn.
You know, we're in our kitchen now.
And the whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh.
See there, up on. Well, look like an official chef. So today menus sponsored by George Blake
George Blake.
from the US.
George Blake. Blessing love for the meal, you know. Some dumpling and banana and yam.
Dumpling,
Banana and yam. You see? You don't know the vegetable over that side.
Wow.
George Blake and George Bush here to our boy, no?
Anna George Bush.
I'm a George Blake, you know?
George Blake.
That's my president name, you know?
See there, this look good, man. Well. Okay. See there.
You're one over here.
Wow, we have another part here. Cabbage.
You're one.
Oh, one away.
Yeah.
Cause man will not have no saltfish.
You see, so I cook it down further and I'm throwing the fish.
After. See there. One big pot of oil. Eye beach. Place a wow chef.
Yeah, man. It's a good look, you know. Carrot, pumpkin, baked bean, saltfish. The next thing we need the cabbage name?
Pop chow.
Pop chow. Yeah, man, with a baked bean in it. You see, so only for carrot.
Yeah.
So spicy.
Yeah.
Vegetable mix style, you see? Yeah, man, I don't have the carrot wheel style. Yeah, you see? Look at beerings.
Beerings.
Beerings wheel. Yeah, man, look at beerings, you know?
Yeah, again the beerings look today. No carrot wheel.
No carrot wheel. Beerings look.
Soft yam.
You see?
Must know. Yeah, man, people up on it. Original
Yellow.
Kington. You same board place me I come from.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Pea yam, don't say yam, you know?
Yeah.
Dumpling, you see?
Yeah,
I
we
don't
don't
cook for early too.
Yeah, I realized early.
Spice of the pot early, cause I don't know.
Yeah, that's one big about
Spikes it up, the Italian spikes way.
Yeah, man.
That's how we think that.
Yeah, man.
Ready to come over there. You see? Blessing love to all I do on them for make we have a meal.
Yeah, man. George Blake, pick up yourself.
George Blake. Bless up yourself and you see?
Big up my George
For love, you know?
Farmer name of the president, you know.
Because you keep the kitchen going, you know, you see? So you don't know if you keep the youth them going. A whole for love, you know.
Yeah, true.
Because without your belly, you know, you can't go nowhere. You know?
No.
See, you fix your belly. But not out there. But own place.
Yeah.
You see? So that's how we know the worship.
Yeah, true.
You see?
Yes, man. That was the
Our
George
place.
Blake.
You understand?
New York. Big up, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
London.
Yeah, man, George.
Finland.
Love Bay Station.
Love Bay. You see? Now one love, you know.
And we have to big up Tara and Suki. We just provide the tank and the pump
Tara and Suki.
to the football field.
Bless the love for the pump.
Yeah, man.
You see? And the tank. You see? Because you make the field flourish now, you know.
So the youth them can have a better playing field right now.
JJ for make this thing happen, you know.
You see?
Yeah.
The field side up, you know.
Yeah, man.
So when that up, can keep some look
Competition and little thing.
The youth them, you see?
Yeah.
You know, them can come out, you understand?
Yeah, man.
You don't people some look up. I believe I call it out as a shine wears.
Yeah, silver wear.
They feel nice to themselves.
Yeah.
You understand?
Some
So
trophy.
there we are trying. You see it to make the place. Alright.
Alright.
That's how we go.
Yeah,
you
man.
see the little competition them from me, I look 10 years old me I play them.
Yeah, man, true.
You understand? So we can get the little youth them from
Yeah.
10, 12, 15, 16, go. You see in car, that's it.
Yeah, man.
You see we can change your mindset. Look.
True,
You
true,
see, we
true.
want to full enough. We want to take them, part of them mind and them have part of feed them mind and think for themselves. You understand?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
one love brother.
Yeah, man. Blessings and give thanks, man. Tara and
George
Suki.
Blake.
Yeah,
Give
man.
thanks again, you know.
For the meal.
You see, for the
Yeah, man, George Blake, only for respect, you
Yeah,
know.
man.
Thanks again. Yeah, Dada.
Yeah, man.
Former president, yeah. Yeah, man.
Hey, so the former president.
Yeah,
I love the name the George Blake, you know, come
Yeah.
Bush, you know.
Not Bush.
George Bush, you know.
Yeah, George
Yeah.
Blake.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
The George Blake.
Yeah, man.
New York.
Yeah,
You
man.
don't know. Miami.
True.
You see, the whole of the world. Because we
Yeah.
love the world. We love the world, we want to be here.
No.
You see?
John T, you know, John T Blue from Love Beer
John T. Blue.
and TYB.
TYB.
Love Bay Station,
Love
that.
Bay Station. And one
John T.
thing,
Blow and T.Y. Only for love and respect, yeah.
keep it going. Keep the love flowing.
Yeah,
Man,
man.
cause I love my, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, love Bay Station, you know.
See it there?
Man, love Bay. Only for love, you know.
Make them see there.
Yeah, man, only for
Loud
love,
and
love
clear.
Bay. Yeah, man.
So this is how it is. So it's spelled LUVPAY. See there? Love Bay, Afrobeat, the music talk, radio.
Station.
Here's the answer, so then check it out.
Yeah.
24 hours. Love Bay.
However, no song come out for love Bay too, you know.
Yeah.
man.
You have a new song come out for love Bay.
Yeah, Billy.
Stay tuned.
Pick up the love Bay station.
Yeah, Billy.
Yeah, so
Yeah, man,
stay
so
tuned.
you look out to the soon you love Bay song I play, yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, man.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, man, love Bay, respect and honor.
Yeah.
Only for love.
Oh,
I love Bay, you know, if you love Bay station, you know.
them a do a lot.
And this jockey, you know, I love Bay too.
Yeah. John T Blue and TYB.
And T.Y. only for respect. Yeah, man, love Bay.
Whoa.
Canada, Toronto.
Whoa. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it day. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.